Hey there, anime enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to redeem a code on Crunchyroll in 2025. If you've got a promo code for free subscriptions, premium access, or exclusive content, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Crunchyroll account. If you don't, head over to the Crunchyroll website or app and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the user icon or profile section, usually in the top right corner. Click on that, and you'll see a menu with options like Account Settings or Redeem Code. Now, select Redeem Code, or something similar. It might say Promotions or Gifts. This will take you to a page where you can enter your code. Type in the code carefully, making sure there are no typos, as codes are case sensitive. For example, if your code is Anime Fun 2025, double check that it's all uppercase. After entering the code, hit the Submit or Redeem button. Crunchyroll will process it, and if everything's good, you'll get a confirmation message. This could include details on what you've unlocked, like extra episodes or ad-free viewing. If you run into an error, don't panic. Common issues include expired codes or using one that's already been redeemed. In that case, check the code's validity on the original source and try again. And there you have it. That's all it takes to redeem your Crunchyroll code. Now you can dive into your favorite shows without any hitches. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome content. See you next time.